Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's a woman, Angela K. O.D. We are still in France, and today I'm standing in front Paris, and I'm standing in front of Carrefour, one of the supermarkets. I want to show you some of the prices of food they have here. Come with me and let's see some of the prices of food. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela K. O.D. and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. Come with me and let's go and check the prices of food here. Come, let's go. Everything here is so fresh, guys, and the prices here are also cheap compared to where I come from. So guys, look, orange like this per net is €1. That is quite cheap, super cheap, guys. And also kiwi, wow, it's also quite cheap. Looking at the prices here, fruits here are in abundance and they are all cheap. So guys, prices of fruits and vegetables here in Paris are very cheap compared to Amsterdam, and also it's the same like Spain. They are very cheap, really super cheap, and also fresh. So they have also exotic fruits, tropical fruits like pineapple. They're all cheap. This grapes, kiwis, so many yellow kiwis, some bananas here. Come, if you see, look at the price. The prices here, it's so amazing, guys. Prices of fruits and vegetables, as I said earlier on in Paris, is very cheap. Wow, look, there are so many different types of fruit, vegetables here. There are some vegetables I think I've not even seen them here. They even have dry mushrooms here, guys. So aubergine, it's quite cheap. Wow, it's really cheap. Aubergine. We have a lot of, and also crochets. My favorite vegetable. I really love crochet or zucchini. And the famous bell pepper, guys. Look, they have it, the orange one, the red one, yellow ones, green ones, chili, green chili, red chili. They have so many in abundance here. Wow, this price is also good because even one per kilo is €3.99. Sometimes I buy only one in Amsterdam, €2. So this is quite cheap, guys. They have different types of mushroom here. Different types of mushrooms. Look at the price. This is quite expensive, but this is really original. And these types are also really good. Yeah, the brown ones and the normal ones. They have different types of mushrooms here. Wow. Wow, they have so many. Look, so many types of different types of vegetables. They are so fresh. Broccoli. They are so cauliflower, broccoli. They have so many types. Wow. Oh, I love this market. They have everything that I need from it. This is the Chinese school, my favorite. Also one of my favorites. Guys, this is what they used to make the Chinese school. Wow. This I've not seen it before. Maybe it's a root vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes family. It's from the root vegetable family. It looks like cocoyam, monkey pa. Wow. Wow, and it's originally French, so it's good. Different types of carrots, guys. Carrots, beer, biwaha. Wow. I love those markets. They have everything that you need to eat, to be healthy, guys. So guys, different types of lettuce here. Oh, so fresh. Fresh spinach. This one I've not seen it before. It looks like radish. It looks like yam. I don't know. I've not seen anything like this before. I don't know, but it really looks like radish. But they said originally it's from France, but I've not seen it before. Guys, parsley, thyme, fresh herbs. Wow. Some red cabbage, fresh spinach, some avocado, guys. My all-time favorites: cucumbers, red beets, beetroots, guys, and then our famous fresh tomatoes. This is my favorite part, one of my favorite parts, guys. They have different types of fresh tomatoes here. These ones are really my favorite. If you use them for salad, they are so delicious, guys. In different colors. This one is like purple, this one purple, this one green, red, and these ones are yellow. These ones are really super authentic, guys. And I've not seen this in Amsterdam before. So many different types of, and some onions, shallots, different types of shallots, guys. Potatoes, different types of potatoes they have here. So guys, as you can see, they also have chicken, different type of chicken, hamburgers, beef, pork, anything, guys. Small one, normal kasapa, the prices, this is 10 euro. The prices are quite impressive. Oh, turkey, wow, it's really good. I love this one. This is €3.15 for turkey. Wow, it's really good. Guys, this is sunflower oil. 3 liters is 10 euros. I think it's cheap because in Amsterdam a liter of sunflower oil is €4.50. In some shop it's €5. So this is quite cheap compared with the price. I think it's okay. Yeah. And so guys, the prices here differs. Some are cheap, some are a little bit expensive. If in Amsterdam you can have rice 10 kilos, 5 kilos, but here I see only 1 kilo. So let's go for like this type of basmati long. They said it's €1. That is €1.89, and this one is €3.90, almost €4, and this one is €2.25. So the prices differ. But I see only basmati rice here. They look really good. I like it. Wow! And this one with a price of €1.89. It's good. It's good. It's basmati. Yeah, it's good. And the prices of olive oil is also cheap. It's really cheap. For a 1.5 liter is €11.35. It's cheap. I think it's cheap compared to Amsterdam. So the prices differ. Some are cheap, some are expensive. But it's good. This sunflower oil is €6. How many liters are we talking about here? I think 2 liters. It's quite good. And this one is €3.39 for 1 liter. It's also good, guys. So guys, as you can see, a liter of this pineapple juice is 67 cents. Some of the prices are also €3. Some has the price of €2.09. So the prices here differ. When you compare to some of the European countries, I think some of the prices are quite cheaper than others. So it's really good, and they have variety of everything, different types of juice and drinks here. So guys, as you can see, 1 liter 25 of Fanta is €1.65. So the prices are really impressive compared to other European countries. Guys, cola in abundance here.
Non, pas ça.
So everything is in abundance. All this can, they even have spinach in cans, beans, everything. The prices are really good. The prices are really, really good. Hi. Different types of herbs here. Spices, that's my favorite part, guys. All the spices. The prices are really good, ranging from €1 to €4. That is quite good. So guys, these are some of the prices of biscuits here. It's quite really good. Some are really of good price. Yeah. It's also, so guys, these are also prices of eggs here. I think the prices of eggs here are really expensive, guys, because in Amsterdam, as compared to the Netherlands, you can have 30 pieces for €5.99, but this one has only 12 in it, and it's almost €6. So it differs. So guys, in France, you can get a lot of water in the shop to buy, because the tap water is not potable compared to the Netherlands. Also in Spain, you cannot drink their tap water, but in the Netherlands the tap water is potable, you can drink it. So when you come to Paris or France, you have to buy water from the shop, and there's so many water, different types of different prices, guys. It's not that expensive, it's good. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, and that is 25 cents. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to know the prices of food in Paris. Thank you. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you in my next video. Au revoir. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss, kiss.